You still didn't give me my fruits and veggies. I'm supposed to have the same thing everybody else has. I'm supposed to have fresh fruits and fresh vegetables every day. And why aren't you giving me what everybody's supposed to have? Instead, I have to munch on popcorn. Now, popcorn is a snack food. It's not a mainstay of the American diet. I was born in this country. I need the typical American diet. Now, why don't you care about me? This country created me, and you're obligated to care about me. Now, why aren't you giving me my fresh fruits and veggies every day? Now, I can't help my situation, but you have a lot of money, and you're not giving me the way to be properly fortified, just like everybody else. You think I can help my predicament in life? Well, I can't. And you're not living up to that.